Hello everyone, welcome to My3. Today we are going to prepare one awesome recipe. This is going to be an excellent recipe which will be enjoyed both by children and elders. So this is going to be a pre-lunch snack and also evening snack. So let us see how to prepare. I have taken 4 equal size sweet potatoes here and I'm going to bake it. So after baking I have a little preparation, so that's going to add the taste to these sweet potatoes. So usually many of them have the habit of roasting these sweet potatoes on the flame, that is on the gas stove, that is on the LPG gas stove. So but if you consider taking anything which is healthy, then you have to omit that option, because roasting them directly on the flame is going to harm the nutritional effects of these sweet potatoes. When cooked on the LPG fire directly, the unburnt gases would be absorbed into the food and it may be harmful. And also if you're cooking like this, sometimes it gets burnt. So one side may get burnt completely. So that is going to be very harmful for both of your liver and intestines. And any kind of burnt food is not good, because it may increase the chances of cancer. So let us bake them. This is a healthy alternative. If you have an oven, this is a very healthy option. So I have already kept the oven for preheat. You can see it here. So I have kept it for both rods up and down for 10 minutes, and the temperature is 220. So now it's almost ready. So I'm going to place the sweet potatoes in the oven. So afterwards, let us see how it's baked, and then I'll tell you the recipe. So please stay tuned to this video. Watch till the end to know the recipe and enjoy this wonderful snack.
Now I have kept the sweet potatoes in the oven. We should bake it for 20 minutes. If you want to check it's cooked or not, you can prick it with a toothpick or a fork. See, now we are keeping that in 20 minutes.
Sweet potatoes are really rich in antioxidants, especially beta carotene, and is very effective in raising your vitamin E levels in the blood. So that means it's going to improve your vision and it's going to give you good eyesight. So you take sweet potatoes abundantly so that you can improve your vision. And it is also rich in vitamin C, potassium and many other vitamins and minerals. So it is a very healthy and nutritious food anybody can opt for. It is highly nutritious and rich in fibers, and it improves the gut health also. It has medium to high glycemic index, that is ranging from 45 to 95. So these baked potatoes are not really suitable for type 2 diabetes. But instead they can opt for boiled potatoes, which are really good, in which actually the glycemic index is slightly lower. So even if diabetics would like to take sweet potatoes, they can take, but in a very less quantity. So it's better not to take sweet potatoes altogether in a very large quantities. If you take sweet potatoes regularly, it has cancer fighting properties also, so it's going to be really beneficial for your health. It supports your immune system and it enhances your brain function. There are many other recipes for sweet potatoes, but this is going to be the healthiest option, because if you're deep frying, you're making chips and you're making other recipes, then you're spoiling the health benefits of this sweet potato. So take as healthy as possible and as sattvic as possible so that you will enjoy the health benefits. It's already 30 minutes, so let's see if it's cooked properly. So you can prick them with the help of either toothpick or fork. So yeah, it's done. It's cooked nicely. It took about 30 minutes for baking. So now they are thoroughly cooked and very soft. So you can enjoy these sweet potatoes however you want. So you can make a slit like this in the center.
I'm keeping butter inside the sweet potato. See friends.
Okay. So you can see the butter getting melted. So now at this point you can sprinkle it with whatever you want, like salt, pepper, chat masala, mixed herbs, or whatever is your choice. Or you can just eat it without any spices, or even without butter also you can just eat however way they want to eat. So if you have homemade butter, you can just apply homemade butter in the center.
Friends, see now I am sprinkling it. Now I am adding chaat masala. Now I have added chaat masala. Next, mix the herbs. Oh, it's looking awesome, friends. Next is pepper powder.
So if you want, you can even add some red chili flakes or red chili powder, something like that. But eat as much neutral as possible, because sweet potato itself is very tasty. But once in a while you can just allow the kids to enjoy with such variety of taste.
Friends, now I'm going to enjoy this sweet potato. If you can also try this recipe, it is so much awesome and tasty. Friends, it's amazing taste. It's amazing, friends. Bye friends, meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.